Hello, good evening again. This is JB Tigihanon. Welcome back to my channel, JB Tigihanon Engineering and Chemistry Tutorial. So, dito pa rin tayo sa fluid mechanics, under static fluid, no? Iba po ito fluid mechanics to, hindi engineering mechanics. So, move forward tayo. So, mayroon dito tanong, no? A liquid flows through an orifice located in the side of the tank as shown in the figure. Ito yung figure. So, mayroon kang liquid lumabas sa tangke. Ayan. May height ka na h. May pressure yan dito. Atmospheric. Bukas kasi siya. Tapos may area. Tapos may Q. Okay, may area ito. Meaning, binutasan mo. Kung nagbutas ka, siyempre, dapat may area. Gaano kalaki yung binutas mo. Diba? Isukat yan. So, yan yung sinasabi natin. May area. Ayan, area. So, dahil may pressure ka, pinush niya yan going down. Lumabas yan sa area na yan, meron kang flow. Flow rate yan. So, the same principle applies dito sa bote na to na may liquid na kulay black with the edge. Ito yung edge mo. So, may area ka dyan. Okay, hindi lang pinakita. Tapos may flow. Yung Q. Ito na yung A is the correct or actual scenario. Ito na yung analytical figure. So, i-relate mo ngayon what will be Q in terms of area, in terms of H, in terms of G. Diba? What will be the formula? So, para malaman mo yung flow na yan, given yung H, siyempre. Okay, so the answer will be like this. The formula will be Q. Yung Q yan yung flow rate is equal to 0.61 times area times the square root of 2 times G times H. Square root, no? So, yan po yung ating formula pagka nag-evaluate tayo dyan. Okay? So, yun lang. Bye.